Have you ever wondered how a slimy green veggie could transform your health? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of okra and revealing a secret method that will change the way you hydrate forever. Welcome to today's video on how to add okra to your diet and the easiest way to make okra water. In this video, we'll uncover the amazing benefits of okra water for your health and hydration. We'll show you creative ways to incorporate okra into your daily meals, from delicious stir-fries to crunchy salads. But that's not all. We'll also share a step-by-step guide to making okra water, using a secret method that will amaze you. And stick around for some extra tips and tricks to enhance your okra water experience. So, if you're ready to unlock the hidden potential of okra and give your diet a healthy boost, let's get started. But first, why should you even consider adding okra to your diet? This humble vegetable is a true powerhouse of nutrients. It's high in fiber, which means it's great for your digestion and can help keep things moving smoothly. That's just the beginning. Okra is also packed with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, which support everything from your immune system to your bone health. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition in 2020 highlighted okra's high fiber content and its role in improving digestive health. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. These little guys help fight off free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. By incorporating okra into your meals, you're giving your body a boost in its fight against chronic diseases and supporting overall wellness. Another study from Nutritious in 2019 found that okra is rich in antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Plus, it's like the underdog superhero of veggies. You might underestimate it at first, but it always saves the day. Whether you're looking to lower your cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels, or just add more nutritious options to your diet, okra is your go-to veggie. Its versatility and health benefits make it a fantastic addition to any meal plan. Now that we know why okra is such a nutritional powerhouse, let's dive into some delicious and creative ways to incorporate it into your diet. Trust me, this green gem will become your new favorite ingredient. First up, let's talk stir-fries. Okra adds a delightful crunch and unique texture to your stir-fries. Simply chop it up and toss it into a hot pan with some olive oil, garlic, and your favorite veggies. Add a splash of soy sauce or teriyaki sauce for extra flavor. This quick and easy dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner and pairs wonderfully with rice or noodles. Another fantastic way to enjoy okra is in soups. Whether it's a hearty gumbo or a light vegetable soup, okra can enhance the flavor and boost the nutritional value. Its natural thickening properties make it an excellent addition to any broth. Just slice it and add it to your simmering pot of soup. You'll be amazed at how it transforms the texture and taste. For a fresh and healthy option, try adding okra to your salads. Raw okra can be sliced thin and mixed with tomatoes, onions, and a tangy vinaigrette. The result is a crunchy, flavorful salad that's perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. If you're not a fan of the sliminess, blanch the okra briefly before adding it to the salad to reduce the gooey texture. One of the best things about okra is its versatility in various cuisines around the world. From Southern American dishes like fried okra and gumbo to Indian curries and African stews, okra brings a unique flavor and texture that complements a wide range of ingredients and spices. It's a staple in many traditional recipes and can easily be adapted to modern cooking styles. So whether you're stir-frying, souping, or salading, okra is a fantastic addition to your meals. Its ability to blend seamlessly into various dishes makes it an invaluable ingredient in your kitchen. Get creative and experiment with okra in your favorite recipes. You might just find your new go-to dish. Now that you've got some delicious ideas for incorporating okra into your diet, let's move on to the star of the show, the secret method to making okra water that most people don't know about. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide that will change the way you think about hydration. But first, let's briefly highlight the benefits of drinking okra water. We will delve into something truly special, okra water. This simple yet powerful drink is packed with benefits that can significantly boost your health and hydration. First off, okra water is incredibly hydrating. It's a natural way to enhance your daily water intake with added nutrients. Okra is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which infuse into the water, providing a nourishing drink that supports overall wellness. Regular consumption of okra water can help with digestion, improve skin health, and even aid in managing blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that okra contains compounds that can help lower blood sugar levels, making okra water a great option for those looking to manage diabetes naturally. For example, a study published in the journal Food Science and Human Wellness in 2015 found that okra helped to reduce blood glucose levels in mice, suggesting potential benefits for humans as well. Finally, here's the exciting part: the secret method to making okra water that most people are not familiar with. Unlike traditional methods that can be time-consuming and cumbersome, this method is easy to follow. Step 1. Start by selecting a few fresh okra pods. Washing them thoroughly under running water is crucial to remove any dirt, pesticides, or residue that may be present on the surface. This ensures that your okra water is clean and safe to consume. Once washed, gently pat them dry with a clean cloth. Next, trim off the ends of the okra pods and slice them into small pieces. This step helps to maximize the surface area exposed to water during soaking, facilitating the release of beneficial nutrients. Step 2. Transfer the chopped okra pieces into a large glass or container. Pour enough filtered water over the okra to completely submerge it. Cover the glass or container with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent any contaminants from entering and retain the nutrients within the water. Allowing the okra to soak overnight is essential as it gives sufficient time for the water-soluble vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in okra to seep into the water. This soaking process enhances the nutritional profile of the water, making it a potent and refreshing beverage. Step 3. The next morning, carefully remove the lid or plastic wrap from the glass or container. Using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, strain the soaked okra pieces from the water. Gently press down on the okra with the back of a spoon to extract any remaining liquid. What you're left with is a clear, nutrient-rich okra water that's ready to be enjoyed. Pour the strained okra water into a clean glass and savor the refreshing taste and health benefits it offers. Remember, freshly made okra water is best consumed immediately to retain its maximum nutritional value. This method is not only easy, but ensures that you get the maximum benefits from the okra. The soaking process helps to release the valuable compounds in okra into the water, making it a potent health drink. Give this secret method a try and experience the difference for yourself. It's a fantastic way to start your day with a boost of hydration and nutrition. Now that you know the secret method to making okra water, let's explore some additional tips and tricks to make this refreshing drink even more enjoyable and beneficial. Enhance the flavor of your okra water by adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint. Store leftover okra water in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its freshness and potency. Experiment with different variations of okra water, such as adding a touch of honey or ginger for added flavor and health benefits. Remember to consume okra water regularly to reap its full nutritional benefits, including improved digestion and hydration. With that said, check out the video on the screen for more healthy tips. Thank you for joining us today, as we uncovered the hidden potential of okra and shared valuable insights into its benefits and uses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and hydrated, and we'll see you next time.